Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. A fan is turned on in a room, windows, doors are closed, and it is left throughout the day. Will it get hotter, colder? Please explain. So it's going to get warmer because of the energy added to the room in the air from the electrical work. So the motor of the fan produces heat that will add energy to it. Assuming it is a sunny day, as it's mentioned it's a hot summer day, then you're also going to get radiation from the sun. So the heat from radiation will also warm up the room. If we assume that it is a windowless room, then the energy will be purely from the electrical fan. But since they did mention the windows, then the majority of the energy is coming from the radiation from the sun due to the greenhouse effect. Okay, before we leave, I highly recommend you save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, you can use an equivalent on your Mac. So the equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool. Open up your program. Once it's open, click on video option, then click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, and then save your video. So thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.